Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm Amma Sakib, and in this video I will teach you how to develop a splash screen in your Flutter project. So first of all, you have to go to the pubspec.yml and import a library that is a custom splash screen, and import it into your project. And press Ctrl S to import the library. Once the importing is complete, we just go to the main.dot, and here we have to type some simple lines to create our splash screen. For this purpose, we have to type custom splash and import the extensions. Okay, now we have to create image paths. Here will be our image, home, and time duration. Duration will be a 5 second or 3 second, and at the end, animate effect. The animate effect can be a zoom in and zoom out. I'm going to show zoom in effects. Now we have to provide the path. For the path, we have to create a ascent folder. In ascent folder, I'm going to import my splash screen. Now I have to define this splash screen in pubspec.yml. And just type the location of the file. I already typed it. I think it's already imported. Now let's provide the image path. The image path be like ascent, or maybe splash image.ping. Now we have to provide the new page, or maybe a new screen. That will be a home screen. After 3 seconds, our splash screen will move to the home screen. Now I have to create a new screen. Now type this screen as a home page. In home page, we have to define the home page. Okay, done. Now let's check